Please listen carefully.
Well, we just come to have a look at the church here. Apparently, that church over there was in the Da Vinci Code, which I've never seen. Yeah, we had a nice run up here, but nobody's willing to pay £10 to get in. What do you think then, Gwyn?
Very good. You should have walked around with us, man.
Yeah?
Good photos. But
Good.
I didn't get my camera out. It wasn't...
Well, you never do.
I know.
Are you
Well,
impressed? Are you
that
impressed?
sort of thing. What?
Yeah? You impressed?
Impressed with what?
What a church, man!
Well, not paying £10.
How's the bike going?
Awesome.
That's what we like to hear.
The best sounded bike here.
Where are we? What's this place? Rosslyn? No,
Yeah, near Edinburgh.
near Edinburgh. A place called Rosslyn. Yeah, nice run up anyway.
Don't think much of the birds here.
No birds. Not one under 70 anyway. So that was a church of the Da Vinci Code thingy-majig, and now we're off to find the Queen's Ferry Bridge. I just had my first glimpse of the 4th rail bridge. Okay, first time over the Queen's Ferry Bridge. Opened, I think, in September 2016. No, 2017. There's like some plastic, I don't know, wind barriers or something there, and it's obscuring the view a bit. Oh, quite a lot actually. Hello, Darren. How you doing, buddy boy? From Glasgow, okay.
You forgot?
You're going to be on YouTube now anyway. So that was the Dalwhinnie Cafe, the, what do they call it? The Snack Shack. Yeah. Awesome cafe. Loved it last year and loved it again this year. Well worth a stop. Now we're just off to a little place called Daviot, which is a few miles south of Inverness on this A9, and we're going to stop the night there. And here we are, Torquish or something. Torquish. I don't know where we're going. Guest house reception. Oh. Brilliant. I'm the first one here. Well, I'm waiting for Darren to get his trousers off.
He can, don't take it.
Are you feeling a bit horny at the moment?
I really am, yeah.
I tell you what, we can't believe this, what we found here. This is biker's B&B. Right, there's 2 houses here, 2 cottages. And then over here, behind the trees there, is a main house. And it used to belong to Alistair Maclean, the author. And it's full of antiques everywhere. It's absolutely incredible. He's got a drone now, has he? Oh yeah, down, so there's a drone about to take off. Look at that. Yeah, I know. Landing lights on. So, yeah, Alistair Maclean's old house.
Are you into the antiques as well?
No, it's a bit of junk.
Yeah, that's very fun.
Did you pay the bills, didn't it?
So what do you do? Just cook
The
breakfast?
cake, the biscuits,
Cake. Oh, they look good,
the
those cakes.
cleaning.
So you made those cakes? Oh, they look very nice. They are very nice.
Cakes, biscuits,
Are they low calorie?
Yeah, they go for diabetes.
No, I can have home as low calorie.
Rick Parkinson in Classic Bike magazine installed it.
My car's something, isn't
I tell you what, this really is a man cave, yeah. Oh, look at the car. Oh, wow. More bikes. Oh, yeah, it's a fit. Oh, no, it's not a busy.
No, it's bigger.
I thought it was
Oh, I
a
don't
busy.
know. It says F, so
No, it's
oh,
not.
no, it's not.
It's bigger than a busy.
Look at the
isn't it?
end there.
Yeah,
Whatever.
BMW.
Honda CBR.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's the one with the twin headlights, isn't it?
Look at those bikes are there.
Oh my god.
I mean, unfortunately, you know what I mean? Yeah, just,
Oh my god.
Look at the lights. That's all the light it is, red and black. It's a Maclean.
Dean's number plate as well.
We're going to put a box on it, but the local Smitty's making an aluminium.
Keys are in the ignition here.
I know. Right, the winner. Carry 2 bits
Yeah.
of straw. Yeah.
My.
Where's Gino's going? He's on the floor.
Yeah, I know.
Is he now?
Yeah. So, Gwyn.
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah. How are you enjoying the trip?
Oh, I slipped on my foot. Well, you know, so far so good. Done a lot of miles.
If you don't mind me saying, what have you got on your neck?
Oh, those chickens.
Oh yes. Yeah. So what have you got? Where's the chicken gone?
He says, oh, the chicken, he's got it dead. I get it, she's there. I get it. Oh, he's strangled me.
Oh, there you go.